Okay guys, we come out or across something out here on the swamp I gotta show you. Okay, can you see those overcup acorns? You see how they've been shelled out by deer? Right here. And then all these overcups. They're riding right here on the edge of the swamp. That's my north view. That's my south view. Right here is my east view. This breaks out into a cypress break. Now it's been really, really dry, so it's real hard to see sign down here. But if you come to right here in the cypress break, whoops, you see, you're coming right through this cypress break to access these water oaks. But we're going to strike out across the swamp straight down their trail, and we're going to figure out where it goes, where they're coming from. So you're crossing right here, guys, right through there. Anyway, we'll check back in later.